Hello, good morning. I'm Evelyn. I am teaching people how to write a book. So, welcome to Amazon KDP and Mastery, where I teach people how to make money online, mostly on Amazon KDP by selling the books. So, today I would like us to go through the pre launch. Why should everyone do the pre launch? The pre launch is one of the most powerful ways to make a book, course, or product succeed because it creates attention and momentum before the official release. So, today we are going to focus on only the book. Why pre launch is so important? You build anticipation, people start hearing about your book before it is available. Curiosity grows and readers feel excited for the release. You generate early sales for books, especially on platforms like Amazon KDP. Pre-orders count towards launch day sales, which can help push the book in higher in ranking. So it is very important. Consider doing it. Don't just do or click the publish. Number three, collect early reviews. Like I said, if readers are prepared before launch, many will leave honest reviews on the release day, which builds trust for the new buyers. But you don't buy the reviews, you just tell people after giving them free pages to read your book before it's released to give the honest reviews on the launch date. Create an audience. A print or a print launch allows you to connect with readers through newsletters, social media, and sneak peeks. It improves algorithm. Platform promote content that already have engaged reviews and sales momentum. So you might wonder how to do it the right way. Number one, start 3 to 4 weeks before launch date. Before talking about your book, and share the story behind the book. What inspired you? Short quotes or experts. Refill number two, refill the cover. A cover reveals great excitement as people. What do you think about the cover of this book? Share sneak peeks like post, shows expected character introductions, key themes. This makes readers feel informed. Number four, over pre-order. Encourage readers to pre-order the book ebook. Explain that it helps the book on a launch day. Explain message. If the story interests you, you can pre-order now. You can say that. It helps a book to reach more readers. Number five, build a launch team. Ask loyal readers if they would like to read early, leave honest review on launch date. Even 20 to or 10 to 20 early reviews can make a big difference. Number six, count down to launch. You see, you'll have to work hard for your book to succeed. Post the reminders like 7 days to launch, 3 days to launch, tomorrow is release day, it's release day. This keeps the excitement alive. Launch day push. On launch day, send a newsletter, post on social media, ask for honest reviews on the same very um, launch day. Hmm? Choose the idea, refill the cover, share sneak peeks, over pre-orders, gather early reviews, build countdown. So if you are writing a book, please consider doing the pre-launch. It will help you to have a bestseller book. You know what, people are in a hurry, they just like to press they publish that now I'm an author, but that book might not sell well. But if you do the pre-launch the right way, like I told you, the book might change your life. So before you write the book, think about the pre-launch. Don't just say publish. Write a book, do editing and stuff like because before even the launch day, the Amazon KDP will remind you, will give you millions of emails, remind you that make sure it is the final copy you want the readers to get. The bad reviews is not, or the bad experience is not good to the customers. Make sure it's the final copy, the one you uploaded, the manuscript. So I rather do what? For myself, I advise you to do to upload the final copy. Don't be in a hurry because that book can change your life forever. So if you enjoy the video, please consider subscribing. If you are new, subscribe and share and click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload new videos on Amazon KDP Mastery, how to do the how to sell the books more or make more sales on Amazon KDP. So most people fail, they go down or they go back, they don't do it, just not understanding the campaigns, how these books are selling because they just click they publish, then they don't advertise, then that book on sell automatically. You'll have to push even after the launch date, you'll have to advertise it, make it known. So welcome, let's meet again next time.